So this mini lecture is on another player of motion, time. And again, one of the things as we develop our problem-solving skills in physics is really defining these pieces, these variables that are involved. So we're going to quickly define what time is in physics. And it's not any different than what we think it is, but we're going to define it relative to what we care about. So time is the time of the motion or the event that we care about. We only are worried about when the event starts and when the event ends. So we are going to think about time specifically of the motion or the event, if we're dealing with a different type of physics, but motion to begin with, that we care about. Which is important then for us to be able to very carefully define the beginning and the end of that motion. And we do this naturally when we problem solve, but we're going to do it very explicitly as you are developing the skills of problem solving and developing the way to communicate your abilities to problem solve. So, time for the standard unit is in seconds. So we're going to use the unit of seconds for time, and that's abbreviated with an S. And as you might expect, we use the variable t. So, just a very straightforward definition of time. It defines the motion, the time of the motion we care about, and we will very carefully be identifying what starts that motion, what's the beginning, what's the initial, and what ends that motion. All right,